As you can see, we got all the glue residue taken off, cleaned up pretty well. So now we just gotta clean it with some glass cleaner, get rid of any of the wax or dirt buildup, and we'll be ready to install our new graphics. So basically all you're going to need is your masking tape, and this will help hold your graphic in place. Grab our graphics here, and you're going to take a piece of masking tape and apply it on either end of your graphic here. And what that's going to do, that's going to help hold it in place so you can measure it and make sure it's straight on the vessel. Okay, so once we tape that up, we'll take our ruler or a tape measure, whichever one works best for you. And you're going to measure to a flat area of your vessel. Sometimes the rub line will work, or in this case we're going to use the water line here to make sure it's nice and level. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to measure from the bottommost part of the letter, the farthest point, to the same at the other side of over here. They should all be on the same plane. So basically, once I figure out what measurement I want it to stay at, I'm going to duplicate it to the other side. And what I can do is I can remove this tape here to be able to pivot my graphic up and down to make sure it's all on the same plane. And just double check the other side. Looks good. Once you got all the measurements taken care of, take your masking tape again, and you're going to run a straight line down the center of the graphic. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this side off. And you're going to peel back this top layer. This is the adhesive side, and this is the wax paper side. And we're going to discard the wax paper side. So you pull it back. You can take your finger here, and you're going to make a small tear in here. And you just slowly pull away, and it'll make a rip. Okay? Once you do that, pull this back, make sure it stays nice and taut. Don't let this go. If this flaps in the wind or gets any dirt behind it, it might not stick that well, and we might need to redo the graphic. So then we're going to take a squeegee that was supplied, and you're going to, in an upward and downward motion, we're going to go up and down the graphic to remove any of the air